Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub. It is a very important video for those who want to make money online. What if I told you that? You can start making money online using AI, even if you have zero experience. AI isn't replacing people. It's helping people make money faster. Here are 5 simple ways to get started today. Number 1, AI content writing. Use AI to write blog posts, product descriptions, emails, or social media content. Then sell your services on freelance platforms or directly to businesses. Number 2, YouTube automation. Use AI to generate video ideas, write scripts, create voiceovers, and design thumbnails. Upload valuable videos, grow your audience, and earn from ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Number 3, AI-powered freelancing. Offer services like resume writing, presentation design, website copy, or chatbot setup. AI helps you finish projects much faster, allowing you to serve more clients. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Create helpful content with AI on YouTube, blogs, or social media. Recommend products you genuinely believe in and earn commissions whenever someone buys through your affiliate links. Number 5, sell digital products. Create ebooks, planners, templates, checklists, or online guides using AI. Sell them again and again on digital marketplaces to generate passive income. The biggest opportunity isn't AI itself. It's learning how to use AI to solve real problems. If you want more AI money-making ideas and step-by-step tutorials, subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub now, because I'll show you practical methods you can start using today.